Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house is located in a fairly new developing residential community with a significant number of buildings currently under construction. The area is known as Bybrook Park in St. Elizabeth. It is approximately 5 minutes drive from the town center of Santa Cruz. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 floors. Very spacious and well laid out. The floor space is 4,426 square feet. It comes with kitchen, laundry area, and dining. There is also a carport, and the land area is 0.12 acres. There is easy access to shopping centers, transportation, schools, churches, business offices, and retail shops. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.